In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the correct aspect ratio for TikTok in CapCut Desktop. If you want your video to display properly on TikTok, using the right aspect ratio is one of the most important first steps. TikTok is designed for vertical video, so before you export or continue editing, you'll want to make sure your project is set to the correct frame size. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside CapCut Desktop. Start by opening the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. Either option works, as long as you're inside the project you want to edit. Next, add your media to the timeline. This could be a video clip, photos, or any content you plan to use for your TikTok post. After placing your media into the timeline, give the project a moment to load completely. This is important because some controls may not respond immediately until the preview and editing workspace are ready. Now, look below the preview window and locate the ratio button. This is the setting that controls the shape and dimensions of your video canvas. Go ahead and click Ratio, then wait for the Aspect Ratio menu to open. Once the menu appears, take a moment to review the available aspect ratio options. CapCut usually provides several presets for different platforms and screen formats. What you're looking for here is the 9:16 option, which is the standard vertical format used by TikTok. When you find 9:16, click it. After that, wait briefly for the canvas to update. You should see the preview window change to a tall, vertical frame. This is a good sign that the project is now using the correct layout for TikTok. At this point, review the preview window carefully. Sometimes when you switch aspect ratios, your media may appear zoomed in, off-center, or cropped in a way that doesn't look right. If that happens, adjust the media position as needed so your subject stays visible and your composition looks balanced within the vertical frame. Once everything is lined up, confirm that the video fits properly in the vertical canvas. The goal is to make sure nothing important is cut off and that the overall framing looks clean and intentional. Finally, confirm that your project is now using the TikTok aspect ratio. And that's it. Your CapCut desktop project is now set up in 9:16, which is the correct aspect ratio for TikTok.